Hi, we'll start a new category of lecture. And here you see an image of a foot of a normal fetus. And this is second, which shows a talipus equinus deformity or the club foot. And here you see a typical rocker bottom foot where the plane of the foot is convex. And this is the fourth image of a foot of a fetus. And what foot is this? So you know all the other three images, but this one, what is this foot? Here you see normal foot, the plane of the foot is straight, whereas here the toes are acutely plantar flexed, and it is at 90 degrees to the plane of the rest of the foot. So what is, where do you see this abnormal foot? Now here is an image where you see an abnormality in the foot, but you have not come across by any of your pattern recognition or by any of your knowledge base that you have not come across such a foot. So we, even though we have learned ultrasound and we do ultrasound for quite some time, occasionally you get an image either in obstetric, fetal medicine, or in the general ultrasound, where you are not able to come to a conclusion what is the condition where you see such an abnormality. So here you see the answer is always there, that is, the truth is always there. You just need to look for it, as said by the famous fictional detective Sherlock Holmes. So we'll see such images and how to proceed or how to explore further to arrive at a diagnosis. So that is this category of image to diagnosis. So image to diagnosis will start. The game is on. And image to diagnosis has got two subgroups. One is the fetal medicine area, and the second, general ultrasound. Now, if you want to see this category and see the various cases of image to diagnosis, log into www.sonoshare.in, and you will see in the home page the category of the category. So if you click on view all categories, then you will see the list of various categories where you will see image to diagnosis, fetal medicine. If you want to see fetal medicine, click on this. If you want to see image to diagnosis, general ultrasound, we click on this. So when you click on that, you will reach this page, image to diagnosis, fetal medicine. You will see a list of various cases, and you can click on each, subscribe and view. So otherwise, you can click on category, then you'll see the drop box showing the various categories, and you can click on either image to diagnosis fetal medicine or image to diagnosis general ultrasound and go to the different case scenarios or different cases of image to diagnosis and listen to the lecture. Thank you.